Hello and welcome to Coast Guard headquarters. The sea is lots of fun, but can be really dangerous. We're here to keep an eye out and rescue you if you get into trouble. This is our control center. Using this computer, we can link up to the internet and emergency services to see what is happening. And right up here is our radar to pick up distress signals. You can see our helicopter on the helipad over there. And this is our helicopter. She's a beauty, isn't she? Helicopter to HQ! I see a flare! Over! Mayday, all channels! There's a sailor over by the buoy who appears to be stranded. Loud and clear, HQ! On our way! Helicopter to ship! Can you see the sailor in trouble? Over! Ship receiving. Yep, we see him. There's an octopus circling and a shark. Sending out the lifeboat. Almost there. We got him. Come on, fella. You're safe now. Let's take you to our medical center on board. Shall we give you a lift back to your boat? Thanks! Wow, a real-life rescue caught for you on camera. It's all in a day's work here at Coast Guard headquarters. There are all these other playsets in this range to keep you busy. But remember, stay safe on the water out there.
Roll your mouse over the screen and click on the top right-hand corner for more information.